she loves to write. She joins in every contest and she tries to achieve everything she can. Most often, she places at first place.
Loves internet and surfs the internet every day. He loves computers and does very well in the subject also.
Now let us meet our judges. First, he is an anime enthusiast and he watches anime 24/7. Please have a round of applause for. Please give a round of applause for Mr. Joseph Nakaka.
A math lover and she loves to do algebra and her name is Aitlin Andres.
And last but not the least, we have she is a shy type and a quiet one. But when she judges, she's just like a professional. Please welcome Miss Alisa Biona.
But before we start, the battle between the two young lovely ladies. First, we have an intermission from the season 1 winner, Carl Banta and Risa Rosario. May director. Maraming salamat.
Now for our contestants, Ana Alvarez
And Miss Sandra Ayo.
we will sing and expect much from Ayo. Bullet through, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, take your way. Far away, far away. You should be. Start with Christian Dembao.
Impressive tayo.
I was blown away with your talent.
Now, before we announce the winner, let us have at the season 2 winner, Miss Ella Basa.
Season 3 ata.
We're all the travelers living in a foreign land. Try to find something that every day.
Ano nga ba yun?
I wonder where I'll be with you. get to follow your heart. Oh, never know, never know.
Yun po yung song na talagang para sa atin. Para kasi, di ba, gusto natin maging PSA. Kaya follow yung dreams lang natin.
Now we will announce the winner, and she is
Wow.
Miss Sandra Ay.
Miss Sandra ayaw to sing isang linggong pag-ibig. Lunes, nang tayo'y nagkakilala. Nang tayo'y muling tapat ka ng iyong pag-ibig. Well, ay ibig din kita.
Ako na ilalagay.
Nag-awit.